Hey everybody, today I'm showing you this cool levitating Saturn lamp. Now these are electromagnetically levitated toys. I've covered a bunch of them here in the past. This one is a lamp with multiple colors. It has a wooden base. It's a 3D printed Saturn lamp that floats above it, and once you make that connection it turns on, and you can rotate it in every direction. It's pretty lightweight, doesn't take a whole lot of space. It's easy to set up and levitate. There's some levitating toys that are hard to center and keep stable. This one is not one of those. It actually stays on it, and I've never had any issues. And if you lose power, it just sticks to the base, so that's not an issue. And it's 3D printed. It doesn't damage the surface of the base. For some reason, it attaches to it because of power outage. But as long as you have power, it will levitate and keep going. It makes a nice desk toy. It's a cool conversation starter. We've had UFO speakers that do this, and even Harry Potter toys that I've covered on the channel. This is just a more standard lamp for people who are into science and astronomy and things of that nature. You can find something like this on eBay. I've seen it on Amazon as well, and AliExpress come available and go out of stock all the time, so you have to check out. And they're available under various brands. This one is Levina, I think, but there are other ones that have different names, just the same thing, different box. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com at Gadgetify. I have a bunch of shorts that you may want to check out if you're into electromagnetic levitation or acoustic and other types of levitation. Thanks for watching.